going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful shelf using Dollar Tree products. Super cute and inexpensive. And I went on and made 2 of them. So if you want to see how I made these, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So the items that you're going to need to start this project is 3 ordnance frame mirrors from the Dollar Tree. Then I also got these 6 wooden frame or pictures from the Dollar Tree, and then I got these gems from Hobby Lobby, this E6000 glue. You're also going to need some type of spray paint of your choice and some command strips. I also got this poster board that I'm going to use as well. So let's get started, you guys. So first is I spray painted my boxes gold, and I'm going to lay them out on this poster board, and so that way I can measure the poster board, and I'm going to cut it so that way I can use the poster board and glue it to these boxes so that way I can hang it up on the wall. So now that I cut my poster boards, I went on and cut 2 of them because, as you know, I'm going to have 2 shelves on the wall. I spray painted them gold so that way they can match my picture frame. And now I'm just going to glue these shelves to my poster board so I can create my hanging shelf. Using my E6000 glue, of course. I ran out of glue, you guys, sorry, so I had to get some more. But we're just going to finish doing what we were doing, gluing these shelves to the poster board in the design that we like. So now that's all glued down. We're gonna let it dry overnight and we will come back. So now that it's dry, as you can see, I can lift it up. It's not going anywhere. I'm gonna cut off this extra piece of foam board because we do not need it, boo. So now I'm going to take my mirror from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to, open it up, take it apart, and we're going to toss the extra pieces away because we do not need them. But I'm going to keep the mirror. I'm going to take off the sticker, of course, so that way it could be all nice and pretty. I'm going to get that glued on down. As you can see, I got the first mirror glued down, and we're going to go on and do the same thing to the second mirror. We got to get this sticker off, you guys. I know this one was giving me a little bit of issues, but hey. Now we got the sticker off. I'm going to measure this out, make sure I got the placement right, line it up nice, and get our E6000 glue on there so we can go on and glue this mirror and make sure it's going nowhere. I'm just lining it up and making sure that it fits nice and properly. So now that our mirrors are glued on, we're going to go on and take these gems that I got from the Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to put these on the side so that way I can mask where the poster board meets the shelf. Alright, so now that I got that all done, I'm going to take these other gems that I got from the Hobby Lobby that I'm going to use to frame my mirrors and just kind of measure it out and stick it onto my mirror so they can be framed and nice and pretty. now it's all done, I'm going to do this around the last 2 mirrors. Now that my mirrors are all framed, look super cute, I'm going to take my last little Hobby Lobby gems and I'm going to decorate the outside of my shelves, and this will be the last finishing touch. Alright, so here is the finished product. Both shells hanging up in my bathroom. I love it. Super cute and pretty. I loved it so much. I made 2 more shells for my living room. Super cute. And another one for my bedroom. Super, super cute. This one I used crushed glass on around the frames. But I'm so pleased with this project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.